How to fix Show My Caller ID grayed out on iPhone. So if you want to fix Show My Caller ID option being grayed out on your iPhone, then follow these steps. This issue can be super frustrating, but don't worry, we got a few fixes. First, you need to check your carrier settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and then tap on General. Next, tap on About. If there's a carrier setting update available, you'll see a pop-up asking you to update. Go ahead and update it. Then return to the settings and check if Show My Caller ID is still grayed out. Next, you need to turn off the content restrictions. Go back to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Screen Time. Then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this feature is turned off. Once you've done that, try removing your SIM card and reinsert it. Or better yet, insert a different SIM card, have one available. This can help identify if the issue is related to your current SIM. Now restart your iPhone. If you're using a newer model, press and hold the side button and either volume button until you see the slide to power off your swing. Slightly turn off your iPhone, wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. After restarting, check if the Show My Caller ID option is still grayed out. If it's still not working, then try resetting your network settings. For that, you need to open up your settings. Then you need to tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset Network. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. Once your iPhone reboots, check if the issue is resolved. Finally, contact your carrier. If none of the steps work, the problem might be on your carrier's end. Contact their support and ask them to check your account for any restrictions or settings that could be disabling this option. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.